Hey YouTube, this is Tracksman926. This is my race bike check, so let's start from the top. I just got this bike like a few days ago, so pretty much everything's stock. So, Velo grips, I don't know, just some grips. Haro chromo bars, lizard skins, number plate, a Haro front load stem, and I just got some Velcro on here so I can adjust my bars and stuff. I'm guessing a Haro integrated headset with some red spacers, Haro chromo fork, red hub, I don't know what kind, black spokes, red nipples, Alienation, plain black rim, Kenda conversion tire, 20 by 1.95 in the front. Haro Race LT Pro Frame. Some Diamondback pedals. It didn't come with pedals, so I had to take them off my old bike. Some Haro cranks. Haro sprocket 4416. KMC Z chain. And I got a Tektro brake lever, random brake cable, red aluminum seat post clamp, a plastic Haro seat, pivotal, Tektro brakes in the back. They work very, very good. Another Alienation plain black rim with some red nipples, black spokes, and a red hub. And then there's some red valve caps. And then I got a 16 tooth cassette in the back. And that's a little bit of what it sounds like. And Kenda conversion in the back, 1.65, 20 by 1.65. This is my brand new race bike. I really, really like it. It's like really light. It's 21 pounds. And I hope you liked it. See ya.